just found out you can adjust this. I turned it, flipped it's a screw. It's a screw to go in. Let me focus. A screw to go in the bottom, right here. So turn it this way and have it pointing this way. Turn it this way, have it pointing this way right here. Take this little clip and what's it like, a little clip, adjust like to hold it, they can hold it in place. Put it on this side like that and put your screw back in. And that will hold. And that will hold by just looking up. And that will hold, have it. And have it pointing the other way. Because having it pointing this way, originally this pointing this way, it'll be touching the fan. Even if you flip it upside down, it'll still be touching the fan. So, just go ahead and flip that. It's not moving, it's good. Finally got it in there. Both fans spinning freely. That, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. That's out the way. You ain't touching nothing. Both fans are spinning freely. Okay, everything is good. That's just the cooling hoses rattling around from the fan. This cooling hose, it's cooling, and this cooling thing right around. But everything works. Let me show you. Switch. You want to bring your heat shrink tubing down, bring it over top of that. Heat gun. I'm going to put it right here. I think it's stuck in the back. So I won't scratch up the paint. Yeah, that was fast. Quick and easy. Once you got your right size hole, bring your switch, put it up through the hole, just like that. On and off. Tighten it down with this screw. There you go, nice clean install. Alright, it's a finished product. I mean, everything's hooked up. I ran my wires under the tank through. It's gonna be tucked under. I didn't zip tie it yet, but it's gonna be tucked under here, run all the way through. Under the throttle body, through here, come under the tank, come here, and this is where the furnace sit at, and all I gotta do is that's the finished product right there. That's how you hook the dual fans up, and I got my other fan on this side hooked up to my stock wiring harness, so that'll come on in stock like around 215, 213. It's hooked up to my stock wiring harness right here. Zip tie that up, going straight to this fan. So I have one fan running all the time, and once if it gets too hot, my stock fan will cut on. It'll be good. Gotta burp the system again. Engine ice. And I'm done.
My car faster, my drip better, my clothes fit better, my hoes better, my tattoos better. I'm stronger than you, my bitch thicker than yours, my girl's bigger than yours, nigga, my girl's bigger than yours. I talk better than you, I hustle better, I can get $1 quicker than you. I talk better, I walk better, my shoes fit me better, I get paid more than you.